How to sign into YouTube Music for your playlist. To sign into your YouTube Music and access your playlist, you must use a Google account associated with your music data. So first thing first, if you don't have YouTube Music installed to your device, then you want to make sure to go to your App Store and install YouTube Music. So this is the particular app. Now then, you just want to make sure to go ahead and open the app, and at the very home page, you will be able to see your Google account with the which you can go ahead and sign in. So simply want to make sure to go ahead and select that out, and once you're done with that, you will then be able to go ahead and browse the music over here. You could go to a library, and this is basically where you will be able to find your playlist. So here it is, you have the playlist at the very top. You could go ahead and look for it, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.